In a memorable quote, Dumbledore once mused about the joys of youth. It's a sentiment many can relate to when they catch a glimpse of their partner or crush across the room. Instantly, a rush of emotions takes over. Cheeks flush, hearts race, and stomachs do somersaults. But have you ever stopped to ponder why we react this way? What exactly is this keen sting that Dumbledore referred to? Throughout history, philosophers and romantics alike have grappled with the enigma of love. It's a force that defies explanation, celebrated in books, poetry, and rom-coms. Yet, despite our fascination, love remains one of the least understood behaviors. In the past few decades, scientists have endeavored to uncover the secrets of love, its essence, and its impact on the brain. Is love merely an emotion influenced by brain chemistry, or is it something more profound? In this captivating YouTube video, we embark on a journey to explore the literal effects of love on the brain. Brace yourself for a deep dive into the chemical nature of love. Contrary to popular belief, it's not the heart, but the brain that holds the key to our feelings of love. Renowned neuroscientist and author Stephanie Cacciopo explains that love is a biological necessity, a fundamental requirement for our overall well-being, just like exercise, water, and food. From a neuroscientific standpoint, we can confidently say that love blossoms in the brain. But how does this happen? If love is associated with the heart, why do countless phrases and songs attribute it to the heart's domain? Cacciopo sheds light on this matter. Through a series of functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI studies, she discovered that when love strikes, up to 12 different brain regions work in harmony, releasing an array of chemicals. These include dopamine, the feel-good hormone, oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, and even adrenaline, which induces a sense of euphoria. Remarkably, even the mere thought of the person we adore can trigger the release of these brain chemicals. Cacciopo's research also revealed a significant drop in serotonin levels among her subjects. Serotonin, a vital hormone that regulates appetite and intrusive thoughts, is often lower in individuals with anxiety and obsessive-compulsive disorders. This finding explains why those in the early stages of love can become obsessed with minor details, spending hours deliberating over texts to and from their beloved. So, if you've ever found yourself skipping meals while lost in daydreams about your loved one, now you know the reason behind it. As we journey through life, we experience love for many people and things. This raises an intriguing question. What distinguishes romantic love from platonic love? According to the University of Cambridge, romantic love stands apart due to its high arousal and intense emotions. It involves the release of oxytocin and vasopressin, often associated with mate bonding. Platonic love, while also involving the release of oxytocin and vasopressin, lacks the neurotransmitters that induce the passionate and intense nature of romantic love. Although we can quickly develop love for friends or significant others, the brain categorizes and classifies these feelings as different. Oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, evokes feelings of contentment, calmness, and security, qualities commonly associated with long-term monogamous relationships. Vasopressin, on the other hand, encourages behaviors that promote enduring commitment. The differences in the actions of these two hormones help explain the disparities between romantic and platonic love. In a groundbreaking 2005 study, participants alternated between viewing a photograph of their beloved and a photograph of a familiar person. The results showed that when viewing the photo of their romantic partner, the participants' brains exhibited activation in the midbrain's ventral tegmental area, VTA, the region associated with fulfilling basic needs, such as drinking when thirsty or eating when hungry. This activation in the most fundamental part of the brain suggests that romantic love is, in fact, a drive to satisfy a basic survival need. But what about love addiction? Numerous songs have depicted love as addictive and insatiable. Can love be as dangerous as other addictions? While the term love addiction remains a topic of debate among mental health professionals, it's widely agreed that an overwhelming and compulsive attachment to love or a loved one is not uncommon, and it can be detrimental to one's well-being. When we're in love, a cascade of hormones floods our system, making us feel good and blissfully happy around our beloved. However, as with anything in excess, too much love can have negative consequences. An article from Harvard University titled "Love Actually" by Catherine Wu describes how attraction to another person can resemble an addiction, where individuals feel a strong urge to be closer to their beloved, sometimes at the expense of their schedule, self-care, and mental health. The surge of hormones in the brain can lead to behaviors and patterns comparable to addiction, including craving, tolerance, withdrawal, and relapse. In conclusion, this captivating video has shed light on the intricate workings of love in the brain. It has offered new perspectives and insights into why being with your partner or crush brings you happiness. If you've discovered something new about love today, we invite you to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section. Don't forget to like and share this educational video with your friends. Stay tuned for more enlightening content on love and relationships. And always remember, you matter.